Hello, and welcome to Popsicle Stick Crafts with Miss Jessica. I'm so excited that you tuned in today. Guess what we're making? Yes, a snake bookmark. Isn't he cute? Let's head over and grab our supplies. You'll need green, yellow, pink, and white paper, glue, a black marker, and scissors. Follow along in the video and do exactly as I'm doing. Now we're all complete with our bookmark. Want to see me make something out of popsicle sticks? Email me with your idea at jjohnson@mcls.ms. You may see your idea in my next video. Thank you. Bye.